with the use of AI and AI-powered developer tools, each developer can in effect become a super developer.
Responsible AI use and development is incredibly important. And for us, that really starts with making sure that you have the appropriate processes and the appropriate mechanisms in place, that you have a human in the loop where you need it, right? So humans should be understanding what's being created in terms of written content, in terms of code, in terms of anything that's going to go in front of a customer.
I think over the next 3 to 5 years, there's going to be a transformational shift in terms of how engineers need to sort of approach their work. I think it's going to be required that they become as skilled with tools such as GitHub Copilot as they are with sort of programming itself, right? And I think that those two things are going to become intertwined in terms of their ability to sort of deliver meaningful outcomes.
In many cases, AI will just emphasize the best practices of professional developers everywhere.
Adopting AI as an engineering team is necessary. I mean, you need to move with your times. You need to adopt the right tool at the right time to improve your productivity, to reduce the amount of bugs, to improve security, etc. And adopting the right AI-based tooling enables us with all of those things.
We're also helping developers incorporate AI into their applications with smart components that we deliver.
In Progress, I can do more things with the same set of people as long as they learn, adapt, and go along on this path. I can create my product backlog faster. I can become more competitive. I can increase the moats of my product, the competitiveness of the product in the marketplace. And that's why Progress has decided to provide all these tools to all the developers.
For application development, I think AI can remove much of the drudgery in creating some of the underlying code that you need in many of the business applications, and then allow the developer to really focus on the nuances of what differentiates the business and the application that they're building.
The space is just changing so quickly. But I did actually have this conversation with some of the engineers more recently, and I shared that it's critical for them from a career development perspective to lean into this and to lean into it hard, and to really understand how to take advantage of these tools so that they can remain competitive in the workforce.
For the longest time, you needed really great developers to write certain things, to write the code for those applications and build those digital experiences. What's happening with AI now is that, especially when it comes to user interaction pieces, they're becoming easier and easier to just have an AI system help create 60, 70, 80% of that. So what does that mean, right? What it means is that the same development team can do 3 or 4 times the work, can deliver 3 or 4 times the output when it comes to building great experiences, or they can do it 3 or 4 times faster.